Alright guys, so this is my lawn mower. I just got done finishing it. I took off the blades underneath. I painted it, the most crappiest paint job, but whatever. And I think I'm going to start videos that has like a rip in the seat. I got the nice motor in it. I bought this off someone. What the heck? Why in the world is my battery sideways? So that's confusing, and I don't think that's good because there's acid leaking all over it now. Either that's water or acid, so that's not good. Oil, might need more oil, and then I'm just gonna start making just videos of it. I kind of wrecked it into my house. What is that? That was never there. I think that was... Alright. So I'm going to show you how she runs. And there's a steering thing. It's like... it does that because the gears got messed up. This is the old lawnmower. I put a new motor in it. Cranks like it's brand new. Listen, first crank. Cranks right up. Alright. Thanks for watching. And I put some stickers on it. Kawasaki, you know. That's my dirt brake. Alright? So bam.